Okay, welcome to Tie-Dye Android / Tie-Dye Taper John. And just to start off with right now, I'm bringing out the v20. And for the stat people, I am recording this off of the Note 5. And we're going to go ahead and do this little quick tutorial on the video. So right now I'm opening up my settings. I'm going on to camera. This did not pop up for me right away from the get-go. And it was kind of confusing me for a bit. But then I went and played with the settings. And that wasn't much of a help. But then I went into the manual mode over here. And then I went into settings and then I got more capabilities. And that's when I discovered a lot of the... And this is what I like. I'm trying to zoom in here. If you look down here on the bottom, you can actually see the sound meter. The peak meters on the lower left hand. And that's kind of what I was trying to pick up, but I noticed on everybody else on their videos, it was kind of showing up a little different. But this is where we're going to change everything, is down in here. And if you look, we go into the mic settings. We hit the mic button right here that's lit up right now. And that's where I get my gain, my limiter, and my low cut filter. But this is what I was looking for right here. Right now, I'm pretty much judging this as like a figure 8 polarity. And if I go down here, it's going more cardioid. In here. And if you notice, it's going by the direction of the phone, going into the phone, or if you're talking into it. So input. So this is good for audience recording right here. And for me, doing a video would be for this. And if I'm doing like an interview, the figure 8 would come in just fine. Sorry about that. So once again, concert recording, like a personal video, speaking into the mic, and pretty much simplest way I can come up with in the middle like that would be like an interview where two people are talking. But I do like the gain. Over here, where I can boost that up if I need to. But we're probably not going to need it that loud at a concert. And then we can play with the low cut filter there. So I got this all on the screen by going on the settings. Now I'm going to turn the phone around. You got to make sure that the high video, high quality is turned on. And if you notice, you have your different resolutions. This is something you really definitely want to play with. I kept the frame rate as 30 frames per second I do like the video resolution where I can do it the high def, and I can go cinema range as well. That's what's nice about the V20 capabilities. But honestly, I still say the Note 5 is probably better in the camera and the video mode than the V20 is, but the audio capabilities and the way I can adjust the video is awesome. Is worth a little bit of the video, or should I say pixelation, contrast. So I can definitely, that wouldn't bother me as much. So I hope you like this quick audio video on the V20. Like I said, I'm always a fan of the peak meters. That's why I love this little feature here, especially in stereo. And if you notice, since I have it going, you can hear me actually speaking. You can see it showing up on the peak meters. There we go. All right. Then I also want to welcome Ethan to the LG Taper V20 group. There's 3 of us now using the V20. Hope you guys enjoy. I appreciate all feedback, because then we can go ahead and share with everybody else as well. My phone is not totally set up the way I want it to be. I got to transfer a lot of my taper tools that I use on the Note 5, and since I'm using a different account on the V20, it's going to be more for my technical side. I gotta set up different accounts and start afresh. So as soon as I get enough money on my Google rewards, I will get those apps as soon as I can. Alright. Till then, hope Ethan, you like this video, and Tommy, I'm sure you will also like this video. You might find it helpful. You might find it a little redundant, but that's life, and this way we all know we're all on the same wavelength. Anyways, as Taper John always says, more to come!